Hello there everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video you are going to see how to remove song from Instagram post. So let's get right into it. Head over to your Instagram application. Once you're there, make sure you have logged in into your desired Instagram account and then head over to your profile by clicking the profile icon on the lower right corner. Then just click on create your first post. Once you're there, just tap on any picture or any post that you want to make. Suppose I want to make this one as my post, and tap on next. And in here you can choose any song you want. Suppose I'm choosing this one and clicking the tick mark and clicking on next. Suppose you have just selected the song wrong and you want to delete it or remove it. All you need to do is in here you have a cross icon just right beside the music, and just tap on it and your music is gone, poof. And yeah, this is how you can remove song from your Instagram post, and then just tap on share. Hope this video will help you out and we will see you in the next one.